What do you think about the top of the rock in Branson?
It's very pretty. It's relaxing.
Oh, we didn't say how much it costs. It costs $35 per person. You pay $10 to get in, and then they give you a $5 voucher.
Yeah.
And then they have a souvenir store. They have, oh, look over here. This is pretty.
Yeah.
They have a souvenir store. They have drinks and things like that that you can purchase for your tour. And this tour that we're on is supposed to take 45 minutes to an hour. And we are staying on their path that they carved out and they paved with a golf cart. We are on the cart path. So here we are at the top of the rocks in Branson, Missouri, in a golf cart. And what it is it's a golf cart path that is going to take us, we don't know where, so stay tuned. We will find out, and you can find out with us. We've never been here, didn't know what we were getting into, but I think we're going to have a good time, don't you?
Yes, absolutely.
It looks like we're going into a cave. This is the top of the rock. For your safety, please stay on the paved surfaces at all times. It's actually darker than what my camera is picking up. Okay, we're going out. There is... Whoa! What was that, a bear? Was that a bear?
That's a bear. Bear attack.
Oh, and there's a waterfall. I kind of like this because you're in your own golf cart. You're going at your own speed. We are in Branson at the top of the rock, as I mentioned, and it's just beauty, and it's relaxing. It did cost $35
a
piece. It was $10 to come into the park, so you can come in and look around and kind of drive around up to the top. But to see the real beauty, you're going to pay the $35. You're going to transfer from your car and get in a golf cart and see where it takes you. So let's see where it takes us. So we've just been riding along through the woods for a couple of minutes. Very relaxing. I'd say it's probably about, what, 75, 80 degrees today. We had some rain this morning. It's August 7th.
75 right now.
75 degrees. It's pretty shady back here. This is going to be something that, you know, you could take elders or handicapped or children, and children might be a little bored, but we'll see. We'll see what comes down the pike. But look at the beautiful natural area. You can hear the birds. Little dove out on the rock. And so here you are in the hills of the Ozarks, but you're not like hiking. So we are coming to a little inlet there. Just little rocks. Another place where you could go and climb on rocks like that is Elephant Rock State Park in Missouri. But look at this. This is amazing. Do you want to stop and take a picture so that I can have a photograph as well as some video? Now look at that. That goes all the way down there. And hello. And we just came from up there. They don't want you to climb on the rocks. This is not a place for like rock climbing and trekking. You do have to, for your safety, they ask guests please stay on, use caution, slick surface. You know, there's a birdhouse there. But look at these woods that you're leisurely riding through. Now my husband and I like to hike, and we have hiked in the Ozarks, a couple of different ones. Oh, another place to go is the Dogwood Canyons here in the Ozarks. We've been there. I don't have a video of it on my channel because I wasn't doing the channel at that time. Look down there and look up there. That's pretty. So it's kind of just like a taste of the wilderness from the safety of a golf cart. This is pretty amazing. Here we go. You have this huge... This is an Amish-built bridge over here. And now I'm going to flip the camera. But look back there. That's huge. The Amish-built bridge. This is fantastic. Look at these. Look at that. This is all natural right here. Now, we're going to be driving over that bridge shortly, but first, we're going to go into this cave, and this is all part of that path that you take. This is cool, Roger. I don't know if you can see how high that is. It goes way up there. And we're getting ready to go in there with our golf cart. Welcome to the Lost Canyon Cave. Please keep your hands and feet inside the cart. Drive slowly and safely. And here we go. This is interesting. It's the Bat Bar. It's inside of a little cave, and you can drive your golf cart up in there and get you a drink, or I don't know, do they have snacks? Mm-hmm. Or snacks, I guess. I don't know. Might just be drinks, which we don't drink, but we wanted to come inside of the cave in our golf cart. We're driving a golf cart inside of a cave. It's really cool. It's worth going inside even if you don't get a drink, which we are not. That was a worker. Everybody's in golf carts on this trail. Okay, so we had to wait for like about 9 people to go through the bar, of which we were not ordering at, so that was kind of a bummer. But we wanted to come into the Lost Canyon Cave, but they are, you know, basically forcing you to stand in the, or like drive through the line. That's kind of, you know, a drag if you're not ordering anything, but you do want to come in to see this. We are in a cave with falls, waterfall cave. We're going, driving through. So that's a bear skeleton. Goes all the way up there. What was over there?
Waterfall.
Oh, waterfall. So you had a waterfall on either side of you there. See, that's the pool we just passed. That's the bar over there. Now we're back on the path through the cave. You know, if you weren't purchasing anything at the bar, you did have to wait in the line for the bar. This is kind of a bumpy path because we are literally in a cave.
Saber-toothed cat.
This is a saber-toothed cat skeleton. I think kids would really enjoy that experience, seeing some skeletons in a cave. Lots of formations, an interesting cave. And then you continue out of the cave. Go ahead and keep it rolling so you can see how this works. You're on a path, a golf cart path, and it's very nice, smooth. It is downhill and winding down the hill. And now we go over the Amish Bridge. And we are up high here. This is high. See, we just came from up there.
Grading.
Oh my. You're going across grading. Make sure you don't have a fear of heights. We are up here. And this is an Amish-built bridge, they said. Very interesting, very cool. I like it. I like this experience. I think it's worth the $35. But you need to know if you're bringing a bunch of kids, it's going to cost $35.
$16.
Oh, it was $16 for children. Thank you. I'm glad I brought that up.
What the age was on the child, but
yeah, I don't know what the age is on the kids.
I have to look at.
Here's the number. We aren't getting paid anything to promote this, but we're going to promote it anyway because it's a cool place. I think if you come to Branson, Missouri, I surely would come here again and bring someone who hadn't been. It's very relaxing, very safe. It's not like hiking where we walked over the top of a snake on our last hike yesterday.
You did.
Well, I did.
Day before yesterday.
Oh, day before yesterday.
Yesterday
Lights off?
We were driving out. Light off.
Yeah, they remind you to turn your lights off. We had our lights on to go into the cave. So we went over this on our way. We're circling back around. But it's even more beautiful from below, isn't it? Hubby's taking lots of pictures. And I'll snap those in. So to the right of us on that golf cart path is another fall here coming down. Yes. Just very pretty. Interesting formations. Again, very relaxing ride. Pretty formations. I love these big rocks, don't you? The boulders in the woods. Look at all these boulders.
Bear cave.
Huh. Don't feed the bear. So that probably maybe was a bear cave? Or are these fake?
Well,
I think these are fake. I don't know. I can't tell. Fooled me. Absolutely no climbing on the rocks.
I think the rocks. Yeah, I think the rocks are real.
Okay, great.
I mean, because the trees
Yeah.
are coming out of them.
So that could have been a bear cave back there?
Yeah, they probably blocked it off so there wouldn't be a bear in it.
Ah.
Oh, Table Rocks.
Table Rocks. That's Table Rock Lake. There you go. That's another place you want to visit if you come to Branson. Table Rock Lake. beautiful lake. Branson, Missouri is a great place to bring your family. This is just one attraction out of probably hundreds of things to do in Branson, Missouri. Great place for a family vacation. I love these table rocks. These are cool. They just keep going and going, see? There's a tree going right out of them. We are in the butterfly garden. And this goes on and on with these little flowers that attract butterflies. Oh, look at that. You gonna get a picture of a close-up of a butterfly? If you want to take pictures of butterflies, you're gonna get one here. Awesome picture, dear. I could come out sometime with a better camera. Are they all yellow?
Do not climb on the rocks.
We don't want you to climb on the rocks, but look at that. Yeah, you got a water ride here. Hope you're hot. We're gonna get, oh, they want you to swing wide. They go, swing wide, dear. Woo! Swing wide. Swing wide so you can get splashed.
Slick surface.
This is just really cool. I think it's worth it. What do you think?
Yeah.
You think it's worth it?
Yeah.
I mean, at first I thought $35.
Yeah, I almost said, yeah, it's okay. And I was like, well, you got me $10 coming in the gate.
Yeah, you pay $10 just to come in, and we're like, well, they gave you your $5 off whatever you got there. So it was basically $75 plus the drink, the
drinks we
Coke.
got for $1.
Oh, okay. The Coke and
Just
the
bottled water and Coke was
$1
$3
a piece.
$3.
Oh,
a piece.
$3 a
So
piece.
$5 off. We tossed $1 for a bottle of water.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So the total was $78 for two people. So you figure about $40 a piece. And for about 45 minutes of riding around through the woods, the waterfalls, and the caves, I think it's worth it. I'm going to say it's worth it.
Oh, yeah. Once you get back here, it's...
Oh, and it's cool. You know, you would think it's kind of a hot day, 75 degrees, but it feels really cool because you're going through the woods. Maybe this was the Amish bridge. Maybe they were both the Amish bridge. Oh, wow. Look down there. This is insane. This was built by the owner of Bass Pro Shops, by the way, which there's a Bass Pro Shop in... Oh, that's pretty. See, you could have had to hike down to see something like this, and we have gone on hikes to see things less than this. We have hiked, you know, Eagle's Nest just ahead. Let's see what that is. Oh wow, look at the view. Look at that view. Let's do it. Yes. Go, oh, we have to park and then walk out there.
Park in the parking
Okay.
spot. Surprised how fast you're moving in your moonlight.
The eagle's nest. I love it. Do you feel like an eagle walking out above the trees? This is the second time in a couple of months we've walked over the top of trees. We are up here high, everybody. I didn't know what they meant. Oh, look down here, dear.
Gorgeous.
This is pretty. I like how they made this round thing.
Come here, dear.
Oh, it's selfie time. Okay. And now we're on another bridge, looping around over waterfalls. One waterfall after another with this place. Whoa! That's a bumpy ride. Don't let it petrify you. I can't imagine building this bridge. It's a bumpy bridge. Look at that view. Views never cease with this place. We just came from down below, and this is basically, we're almost at the end of the trail. We're closing out this beautiful trail trip on a golf cart trail, and there it is back to the Welcome Center. And oh, there's a squirrel. Oh, he's running away. Then you can go to the Osage restaurant. Osage for lunch. Thanks for coming. I love these Murphy signs that they have, just little signs directing you. You won't wonder where you're going. Have you enjoyed your scenic adventure? Come back and see us. And that's the other thing, is that they're putting in more things than what we actually experienced. So stay tuned and come back. You might see something new. That I did not mention is you can get a 2-seater or a 4-seater family car, depending on how many are in your group.